Look how they looking at me. I think they influenced by me. They say they not with me, alright. Wish all they looking at me. She want me to.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kayla, and today we're doing an unboxing. As I continue this marathon of a healthier lifestyle, LUXEAR store said that they can help me out. So they sent me this 3-piece Fresh Keeper refrigerator storage container, and I thought that I would share it with you guys. So I already showed y'all pretty much the whole box and all the cute little specs and everything. So now it's just time to get down to the nitty gritty and get this thing open, you know what I'm saying? Because I got some stuff in my refrigerator that it's just all unorganized, everything up in here just, you know, it can be a little better out of its original containers. I'm gonna get it all taken out the box and then come back and show y'all what it consists of. Because right now, you know, just unwrapping all the plastic and stuff. So this is the 3 pieces that it comes with. First, we're gonna get everything all washed and cleaned first before I put anything in there, right? Y'all, I think this is gonna change my life. I can never ever for the life of me eat fruits and veggies fast enough. They always spoil in the refrigerator, and then I have those ugly containers that come from the store, you know, those really loud ones. Whenever you try to open it, it wakes up everyone in the house. Yeah, those. So I was very excited to get these containers and try it out, and they're very multifunctional. The basket is removable. You can use it as a strainer. Then there's the clear part that can just be used as a container. As you can see, it's very easy to wash my produce now and to keep them separate. And there's a lot of ways to drain it. There's a small hole at the bottom also. I'm going to show you guys in a minute, but there's a filter tray at the bottom that elevates the food from the moisture, which helps it to stay fresh for a long time. And for my environmentally friendly family, y'all, these containers are high quality, 100% food grade safety. They're environmentally friendly and recyclable, made from materials which can effectively resist stains and odors, and they're 100% BPA free. And it's a clear lid, and on the lid they have a ventilation system, which is what helps to regulate the air control and control the humidity inside of the containers, which is why the fruits and veggies are able to stay fresher longer. And there's different sizes, so I used the smaller one for my tomatoes, and then I'm going to use the medium one for the salad because I didn't have a lot of salad anyway. But for the sake of the video, I'm just going to show you guys the many different ways that you can use this container. Now, I love everything about these containers, but the one thing that I have to say that I will complain about is it's not dishwasher safe. Everything in here goes in the dishwasher, so hopefully this can survive the struggle. So here we got everything all squared away. Now, let me tell y'all what I like and what I kind of dislike about it. I like the way that you can set the vent or either whichever. Like if I had lettuce in here, I could close it, and then I could leave this side open. But since I have fruit in both of them, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that open. And the little divider right there, as you guys saw, in case you didn't see it, you can actually kind of take this out and it opens up to be a whole second layer, like you've seen it on the box. They all do that kind of, so kind of like this one right here. So a little lettuce got under there, but I put the strainer right there so that it can separate it and still drain the water that's, you know, still up there. So that's one thing I like about it. And then you can also put whatever else you want. There's space for some more fruits or veggies, preferably veggies with veggies. And this one was just perfect for the tomatoes. And again, I like how it's sitting. As you can see, the water right here, I'm gonna pour that out. But I like how it separates the water after you drain it. And then I can just take the little strainer basket and use that for something else, or keep it like this, or just pour the tomatoes into the clear container, which is what I think I'm gonna do. But yeah, y'all, this is the 3-piece refrigerator keeper from LUXEAR. So I definitely prefer these over these things here. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad I could throw this stuff in the trash. And be sure to check out LUXEAR on Amazon. I will have all the information linked down below. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you enjoy it. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.
'Cause I know you see me on the come up.